Lilwin to me want to funny face that. We organize it be that. Unim see the city here. What the phone wire then? What beje? Say and your papa dia na try you na also sa we no kind what you say. And anka the whole Ghana there obi ni wa anko to me. So what say? Unim acting change ejaku. Who san on besi eden akasa. Your kanu right. Or point 100%. The funny face no Lilwin intimi ye funny face o sorry no kofa award no de to no hoso omo frɛ no de man nti wo bibi kan organizers na so ye den o kasa kire omo
o sama nkran kwa yo nyina na ke kaze favorite actor in Ghana, can you pass me ye for friend bianto nchen beta mu ntwa mu for na iba favorite actor in Ghana o de man wan.
Hello, welcome to Poleeno Multimedia. Your friend me Armstrong, Poleeno Ade. Obet me I follow you on Instagram, Poleeno_com. And also be follow me on my personal page, so Armstrong_Poleeno_Ade on Instagram. Now make I was say a Poleeno Multimedia YouTube channel auntie. Now I subscribe and kama. Now I click on the bell notifications and anytime you post any video, you get it straight. Make I was say Jimedi no stand up herbal supplement and so I say stand up herbal supplement dread ma worry phone say what worry na say we be man kwa dia also timi no bi enye so waye mre ompem ana say ohoden ompem ye nuane ye di na chemicals efra chow stand up herbal supplement so dey cocoa any hama any akafra any dey dro nti wono ma at least ye chemicals any fina about body nim nyina afrim na a protect you kama so de nyame ball na nti obi ahia because de bia obi aso didi na nti o person to be and our monone na o hia bia obetimi afresh stand up herbal supplement ewo number we so 02248 389 989 0248 389 989 kama na omo ede ebi abro so wa monone ana so Ghana Quappiah papa me co-host for the show obetimi follow Quappiah on Instagram Quappiah_comedy na wa subscribe to my YouTube channel so Quappiah comedy on YouTube here na enyoma papa any comedy a efutuo wom no wonya bi ahwe kama papa and ready ye tena akonya we mu dia
and the SMP
na ACC
nsema ekotwi kobre mane bade brebe
we so dey say aboyi we kan wa na
efri ntuma yes
issue we so ye ntuma edi
yeah see I say the okonsuo no on ebo ahina na dua etwi no na dua ben no ena etwi bisa na tie
eti dua eben na etwi na ese dua ben na etwi dia na ese Lilwin any funny face eben nti etwi
atija
eba ne sing
that's right
Ghana movie awards awards na na mpacho ehu hia
yeah awards hia say obi abo no homodin aye bibi obo na baso a ema no ekoso aye ne mo so as I say ehye ni nkuran ema ne ye mo ema afoforo nso sua say omoso be ye etimi nso omoso etimi nya award nti award de ni adimu a I say oh ya de na competition ni mu a ema ade ni sheda ndimu bebre na ema ade no so nye recognize
okay na say ahwefo me kai mo say ebia na munim de eka akosi Lilwin any funny face enya issue based on Lilwin interview or granted was Zionfelix page me boss na and this interview no me na me gina camera na chi after say Lilwin interview ni we o Cape Coast during the set of Tete Kwashi movie na eba no Matilda sorry na produce after the interview no Lilwin na ka say watu bom because no name say be talk of the town and then Zionfelix release the interview no I think say ama funny face so I reply or the yaw be I reply ebia na won hwe interview na enko hwe Lilwin part on mra
wa de Nyankopon hia no Nyankopon hia Ghana fo nyina munya komapa ne odo say adwuma eba we Tete Kwashi story we di ne kunya menini we kwa Grammy yeah ana I say ye wo mu nyina say as a lead character ne won support no ye no obi abenya award enye Ghana movie award san award phone bi o nya Ghana movie award phone atwa mu na mo gya ne omo ye nansi a ye ko Oscar nya sa nkwasi ai Ghana movie award no ha ha gye ni ha na people choice award ni nya nkwasa sem ade mo o ya was o de Ghana for movie abaya award na wi afede wo ya afede wo de fallen for the winning na ba nka ati wa ho amedi mo cha mo man ka ma benya din nya no meti outside movie Ghana movie nka ho Ghana stars nka ho sia de kwasa award no tira award feni to award so ye Oscar kwere ye no tina fo kwa mo che print ticket amon obedidi we mboko we shop 1990 no nya ko aha na etene hwini ese de gudi panu ase Ghana nkwa na ya award o we agi this year next year na from first o next year from we nye nkwasem ade ahwe nka ho mu discuss film go for man for sponsor feni ama enne afo yo wona man nkura nanka ye ka ni pam pane kure iwiase no obi ni munyam so aso America would is about 20 times ya obi win 20 times to one say obi san yo bo modern ya be isa musa akwa abobon this year Ghana de wunya jibi ne e che na obi fro obi an ko say fene ma ene ka fa Ghana YouTube house Ghana YouTube ne munya movie be na reko oko sama nkran yo nyina na ke kaze favorite actor in Ghana, can you pass me? Yeah, friend biantu nchen beta mu ntwa mu fona iba favorite actor in Ghana o de man wan kan kre ana men kan go bana he akobotuwom nuwom kwakuma nuwom bande ka obiawum ena kuma ai funny face na funny face deserve favorite actor di pan kre ba se ni go esa kwadum what want ndi bim yo ko yen kan man best actor you can pass ni kwa ba kupo etu enya kana yana sa award no ubi obe ne kama sa fenzo ko na wodiska selfish interest skanti woje nya chifta mawi ready appointment sa so jiso ani menyam kan petam woje favorite actor wono aje kwa no papa no afini ya ball win imagine
that's kojo na can is am question na me
so be ni menyam favorite actor na ko ja show ni me to bombo wi on family na nyane dia
yeah I have 4 minutes say mahwe Lilwin say I was no omo ye nyoma bi wo ho ya na ntwaye ono no wo ho so ni ho kra na acrobat wo ho Mac Brown wo ho Kwakuman wo ho so why funny face bra asemi o dwen ho say
bra mecha ahwefo yina azawi de Lilwin ho esere pa ni nyina ye na me ya se na fufu mienu a omoa eko eba na asemwe etimesi a obi tutu bi eden emano no but ni nyina ye boama industry ni nso no emusi nti yehye but aye omo ya omo nkai se ni padodo na wo mo chi omo hwe omo fans omo pese omo sun omo no omo so hwe omo nti aya omo kakasa bia na omo so aye den adwene mo hu ye ansana omo aka nti no mijili se we no de we ni we enya adwene we su ni we enya adwene enkyere se omo ye atamfo omo ba be ya atamfo others we e kyere na adwene we e kyere na adwene na bra panin de kakra be se me kan se I was o person organize I was enye easy enya de a edafem so what we do when see was say person organize award we hia nyema bebre we hia sponsors we hia crofo be di we nima ye nyema bia ma at times no aya sponsors ho edene nti at times no mo so timi fa some we bi so timi gada ska bi etimi de boama awo so no eba so e bi ti say obi o mo say o mo vote bebam vote ni bom o benye ska vote ho so what I say nti omunya sponsors bi 1 or 2 bi so ka ho a na enu so ayeden etima boa na ntawanta we nyina no ne fapem ni na efi vote ho no esan say omo ayi vote no 70% eno judges no 30% nti no say esumesi ene deserve a enam say ebi omu vote ye no wenye vote ni ntino ye nto ma no na ebi onso ne na nko deserve na akwama nipa foforo
to say patapa ne fancy gadam most popular song VGM 2019
that's right
one corner na all over the world
Anya African po all over the world BBC in CNN
na a track like fancy
gadam
sakode nyami total cheat etimi abeji award
how will be sound say how
it's a popular song of the year
and now vote in inti and omo so no omo rules and regulations no mo dey year almost say vote here 70%.
But sometimes I think also we amendment to rules because say if say yes popular song of the year of which our judges munyina munim say ebia enyum bi to say one corner. I didn't train like I hate you baby mu fam ebi BBC the year news.
So nim say nyankopon ba ko pen yesom no so baby aso bi wa kwa mfa mpaboa nko. Baby also ade mpaboa because baby omo nhye jeans ebi also omo nhye jeans. Adwuma bia wo rules and regulations. Sini your rules and regulation won fa sini dia wutimi nko bank timi na me ye ma wars na me rules and regulations ni say dia betima boa ma wars no metima ya ye ni ye eye vote ma me 70% wo so wo fans wonim say amanfo hwe sini okay omon vote say hwan na ye popular actor of the year popular male supporter of the year and now popular dear ben of the year or move vote no more vote ama nipa or pa what is your problem the problem is inti no aya ho no so no nya hwe ho what I say policy na adwen ben na nipa ne so wode ma awo so no aye no so ni na no category no inti na category bi wo ha wotimi say e wo say we nya bet we nya na we nya ye woniema bi wo ho onwo hwehwe afi ho sa category no e wo say okay say ye nwom a wonwom no ye check sound ye check vocals ye check instrumentals and ye check niema bi bebre e san check performance and ye sa we na ma so wonwom no ye popular na sa niema 3 unia ye mfa ma na de mo bi foforo eni so okodi ho achinje so bisa so say denti na ade we yam fama me and you onye hu wi a ansa na wakasa ho
say sanyo man nyina so I think say event organizers no so yes they are not being fair they should list them out yema ye celebrities and
ye ne yem padusia o me de ba o ka obi anu a o ya wo sa niema no e ma say category we no niema se ne ya hwehwe fi ya awards bia ne awards na enye papa obia de ba
many share den twa bi so
and also be sana ohwem
especially so no your votes no aya ye man nye transparent at least a week dia ya update fans ne general public ne say we na lead we na during the votes no we
and they all cancer me no ya adwene
na ma fans ni say okay and you say vote more you say vote less ye din kunima we nya vote ye nduru ba bia ye vote more I think say no so be encourage na ma transparency no so ay more at least obi abehu say vote na ekono say na me nya o nti say wonye campaign ya na hu di say your favorite actor na so popular musician na
that's right
obe promote am on followers side a vote am on
that's right yeah the all can so enokre nti yanko back to Lilwin and the funny face there no. Lilwin akasa. I'm say this is the third time
waka say
Mate say Lilwin yeka. That means say hanopa, seven papa. No di council. Odi kampa because sa nneema we no asisi ache. Ye DCV nipa ayeden ache. Ena no so e ba no sa aya emwa edintawantawa eto artist no omuntem ebi na esi I say Lilwin e kana bi ena funny face nim so ono so deserve ena Lilwin so nim so ono so e deserve na ye radio won say last year no ye ntwese ni bebre sa o ana mebwa
2019
ye ntwese ni bebre sa na ebia sa year no so na funny face no so no ono so no all trend ebia the series ana ne social media nema bi a oyeye no e ma ne din nti vote no ba ye na na say ono na aye den akwa ama no so what I say odo ne nim so okay ebi a Emilia Brobe ana say ebi a Bella Samoa ana say ebi a Majid ana say Magbra ana obi ene wo say offer what man say but your modi vote ne beto ho no ebi a that level no baby ana funny face nam no ono na ebi o deserve a amanfo vote e den e de ama no so what I say nti say aya nema bi say ba out ne ye kasa say etim hwe ye kasa yi na mete say Lilwin so e ka say Ghana Music Awards ni agu aya sa nema bi sa no so no ye kasa o public a ye hwe ye kasa ni ye what man say Ghana Movies Awards no eboa Ghana ye industry no a project industry no enye say bi a wo wanya ninti no na wo be kele
at least amendment adwen say ye beboa no na wo de suggest na
ade aba oh okay we na mo ye misu say ankoye na nkese seni se na ebe ya obetima shebi obetima shepi ade na amana den ayeye na wo say enye papa dia na ntwaye na wo say sa we no kan wo twesan because enye easy say wo betima obi ye organize awards enye easy sa so what I say wo to no excuse me to say wo organize bi da unim si ne sitie wo de fro no why den wa beje so what I say awo ho for so many years and awo wa beto nti say ne won senti man kan aya yensusun kasa what I say enanka the whole Ghana there obie ni wa ankoto me so what I say unim acting chen your friend say ejaku what I say and I be unim acting opportunity when there are so many people are there if so munya so opportunity now okra no ebi akra ye hu biem what I say nti no so wo kasa e wo bedwamu a munya abotre omunya abotre no mu hu se na ombesi eden akasa your can right or point 100% maybe we support no 100% your can no create edimu but
the way
way to say it no
because how was it can also now I think the atrigama funny face so ebufu I think the yawa onya
was so I den abekasa no me dey na me person me emphasize on me say Ghana movie we agu no memem ye ngu no eboa industry no if you were there ba watch biem na wo biem it mo me moa ni empeja ni yen omo kasa mo me enye dan say ye be kene say asay enye dan dey sa kasa ne dey enye papa funny face say dey
funny face say kojon cancer
that's right
you are so envious of everybody you wish everything in this world is yours. People like you end up miserably in life. You are so much pain, Kojo. I pray that Jehovah Almighty bring you out of this evil place in one piece.
That's right.
You have fought everybody around you. Now you want to bring it on funny face and in a question mark. You see, I say, yourself, you know the fear, the name. I don't worship lesser gods like you. I think the honey is too strong. There's a so say Yebra Kujun Kansala. I worship the most high God. I'm bigger than you both spiritual and physically.
That's right.
Never try. Give thanks to funny fans who are stopping me. Next or just funny fans, no.
That's right.
Stopping us. Say on my name kasa.
Yeah.
Asemo enumpunyi o.
Obi awa chitafu.
Yeah. Like it go over you. I pray you can read this though to change. Don't try to bring your evil eyes and D on me. Fonse bola so. Abu ofuno fame ayefo. I say one fonse bola so abu ofuno fame ayefo. And now one so can be. Bang. Your own evil plans that will kill you. I'm the apple of God's eye, so don't try. Why you say sapo? Kaswa Van Dam. It go over you, bring it on. Next and some funny face. A kind no, a more yeah, baby. Like I think it's a funny face. So her interview no, or the jaw and a kasai.
Yeah.
And because Lilwin can sing baby, and I Lilwin so after this win, funny face posted. Lilwin I saw baby him say, no credit funny face we are award on. And she said next time on person be kase BM there award now where we are no on famra. And yes I about 10 or no so about 10. Na funny face cry or yeah this track aman and also way any beef but in the funny face no kore no catch and say award na dey or ye den or kosoro or twini mu ne betene be pekora undeserve the all can oka enti and yes funny face be didi na tem or no Lilwin no hu na obetia. I think I like this bit of Lilwin the all can say hu na obetia no like on fan too personal say a personal attack. At least wetie wa but why na grosso kakra.
Yeah, very good. But I at times no. Your fans no mu di echi no, o ma dwene nko.
Enko.
What man say?
Yeah.
And semina o keka no. Fans for the call ma dwene mu.
Call ma so na ewro ma dwene.
Omo ye namfofo anyami we hu we anyami we anyami omo ye namfofo pa. All the time almost have almost call asamweja ho ye fi hakwa utimi se na omiti di agro we omo ye na for pa but there are certain things west bi wo ho a eni se o use because omo no omo wo industry mo bi e bo the film ho ban eno no bi a didi okay into we try say ono person o kire say we me wo soro sene we de ne ye baller e wo say omo dey respect mo bi a each other. Eno na we can ya say we kill ways we person kill we can say more person dey kill we film e ban sa de a e de ntawanta was ya na e den e beba eno so no emwo timi de ka no ko ade a ankomu ntwa so atemu omu didi ni nyina emfa hwemma film omo adi for so many years abuild no hwe na omo amfa one day pe answer no. What I say, fans of will be our fans. Their Lilwin no funny face into me yet. Their funny face no Lilwin into me yet. Nyankopon ashiro bia in his own way. Obia ye unique when a juma or young. Funny face into fan want to tolerate. Lilwin soon to me fan want to funny face that. We stage comedy. We comedy obey we amount for best. We be any comedy we best. We be any comedy we ni nye ho. We be any comedy we so ni nye ho. Oko Instagram obia won followers. Okay. What I say the comment about obia won e dia obia e kan fa ho. Nti we try say we be keli we ene de em fa sudie bia e den em rom. Atem didie no. Yes, em wankasa. What I say ti de o ma start no o muntwa so o mani si he ya ne enka he ya obia de no ho obia nim funny face en o sore na ono ko fa award no de to no ho so o mo frɛ na o de ma no nti wo bibi kan organizers na so ye den o kasa kire o mo bra pen what I say oni organizers na wa funny face na akọ take no na seven producers aka yen say ntino ne nkraman enam wo mi say sa west ni na no enye funny face so de sa ne ma we onso kan say we so mbosom no enye right funny face enye right so also be use sa west no but minim say ni na no ebufuo na ewu omumu no ene obi eden e de kasasa so what I say but kakra me meka no say o ma ne so he ya o ma ne so he ya na one thing na I was say organizers no so hwe ni yiye pa ne say mo de say o ma akofa aba e so mo de adusuande ene o mo ba nzo mo de awoso bi no mo ebe ba aba no o mo fa nye adusuande no mo se sebi se nipa ni deserve no wan fa ama na enyama bibre se enyama bibre
na say no so the brand of that particular award
but ene say no yes we o metima kan afre so be stars no mo ma biem o mo man so a agu what must say ana omo aman so a na egu so a wasen high industry no
okay
what does ye sini na amanfo amehwe a sini no ye ba to toare aha ye betwa de agu president so edi dabi so what ma say into obi a wo ya de bi o make sure say obeye in the right way what I say no munya say awards na amanfo eto no mo so ton no ya de ade ne nyina na emwa de odi serve no na ma hwe na mo de ama no na mo de yie eden atu yie akuapem polo o mo ya awards no mo akoma ni influential de ben of the year ni influential no ehun sunsanso na ese no esi ewo social media esi na school for obekona twerk wo ni parent bre wo mokola san no hu fifire titi ni bo wem di train school fees no not school dem no ye twerk no wo so no tuni say owia no asen afa wa academy kebab na wa asen afa we aye de ye pe be ma na yi so ye pe be ma na bosu wi ye pe be ma owiska ye pe be ma obetimi awe oh sa na ma na say influential na no aben nipa na amoma na award no ko no akase de ono ye kra no na ni nye ho on pese ni nwe bia na ne babi kra be den ebe ye bie na so mo hwe ma na award manfo o mu deserve awards papa bi no manfa mo na ese asusun sanso obasi ya na mo kwa akubremi wan na kwa akodi na tem so that say o che say akuapem polo yi hu na we no ho sa na eye ebo man no ye say school for na say no kohwe to say media beba na say yonko say bi mpedi wo bi no tunu mu na pante pe no hye ebinum so kra de raw no aye ne sase na ne sape ekata no for ho na ne mpoku anyama kotwa so no kura o man bi wo mu kura nyama wo ni boso kura na what I say phones you say no an your bible ni biblia so bo wan say class we nyama se okwa akwa we say tunu mu na da so yi na say bibia wa kanchire nyina ne wo fasting na say so what I say ni na so ye man award what I say na say na man kran kitenkete adwaman na adoso no wa ni pa wo ha man award ne akukura man but onu so no enu na wa den onu so didi ho wala no na mu edene ti onu so yes ano e timi ye ndi se na aman na no so ekona no but ye fa yie entu yie de anya no me hu se ha no enye ha no we ya ni akase we ye ni yenkoye nim so ada se
let's say event organizers asema meso metimi aka idea support me nua Quappiah papa de no se am I ni scan ho bebre at least yes say awarding nkofo modwuma pema yin focus on no na I know say nyame so be share was sure na scan at least yin pe scan de like scan de be event no but me any this scan be breeze scanning tina yeah awarded when to scan yeah awarded because you so many good talents are underground because of
scanning no multimedia ma out
o dey man say monya category be say bia discovery underground actor of the year discovery underground musician of the year na yeah awarding kofu bi o a omo underground a omo bom ho
eno se be boa ma manfo nso etimi
kofu wa kohwe omo asumesi say o ye good ye wo bi to say good boys
okay
young talents very young talents
but omo nya boafo
omo ni boafo but omo ti omo nyim sisi abadwen say ekukudam obetimi etin over and over Raga Boy I think say interview no Poleeno Multimedia nyame ncha de kofo bebre e ba on board to handle I don't know how far now but I know say that Raga Boy no is very talented utie ne nyoma warrior obadwen say bia Stone Boy bi na eto
like was a foreigners oko outside there omoma upcoming omo ye the nation future leaders
generation
so what I say
see now no na yeah event organizing na at least the creative category be more name from project
na Ghana music awards you cry no Accra for penny de man ye de more what I say
so
be for musicians for ho so ye more movie
kuma say o check
what I say voter enfa takra de one man kra am be feature bia ama ye hu a ye mawo
wow
so what I say sa titi awards ne de akwa say personal staff inti say me we pay for mo ba say odi nipa no na beko ti Lilwin de odika
Yeah.
The what can
so attack it.
But what attack it we no funny face attacking on there. And you know, I didn't hold quite a award. No, I know quite so for some sort of award. On the man. And I'm rapping what in common. You know, one of our building the film, and can be and killing the film. What I say, and a funny face so I men can be say be Lilwin I can't say it will be from Kuma young Fumunya. So that's now also I do any now can against you know. So I say I balance idea artist you know say be even am Multimedia yemu beef be na aye we are better nema bi am be kill more we per say we no dey of course say him there akura
na make I was a stand up herbal supplement and I so say herbal supplement na so ye bema na say udi aduane ekọ wonum ne nko ade eye den a nyoma kakra akọ body no ho a emmoa wo bema yom nti unya stand up herbal supplement a no wabo bi kama na ho ato form stand up herbal supplement e di koko ye koko ene haban kakra ena afra ena ye ne kama se o amano ne ana o Ghana ha na obese utu bi ton ana wa ukotobia wetimi afra mu e wo 0248 89989 0248389989 o de number na ye de bigu screen so nti wo hia o ma no ma from sharp na wajibi na me kai say ha eda so ye Poleeno Multimedia nti betimi subscribe to Poleeno Multimedia YouTube channel na wa subscribe to your channel na kama na wa click on the bell notifications na be anytime na be discussion no obi me hwe me control wa be ba notification of phone so say Poleeno Multimedia dey be atum Quappiah papa
first person to betimi hide
na wetie mu nsem na wetimi comment nicely a futu a so adwen ne ye wo no and I said the adwen tire wo no na also comment because
we dey boko next time dey wan hwe be ban dey ebe and dey o assemble to ha dey ye be no fire ye be ni jaso so that you say dey boko
you say on the low key on the low key in some bebre ho a ye nim but ebi wo ho a say em pese the problem be bentin na ye fra na ntoma kakra nti I think say ye pese ye nyoma amoni beje nko a na me ka wo say follow Quappiah ewo Quappiah_comedy ewo Instagram Mr. Mopa Quappiah na
ya very necessary mo follow ye woni am bebre mama
a lot
Facebook Quappiah MC and Quappiah comedy
and YouTube hey ya so
Quappiah comedy
na wenya comedy nya say comedy ya no mfo ni bi ye ma comedy e futuo wom
that's right
a obitim dia bobra osre na wenya futuo dia bobra
that's right
kama na ye chere mo say ye di ntitimu ye hu a enhwe me no so mespa
papa na enchiaso nkoma sedel US papa ye kakas papa dia say yen shipping nko around the world dia sedel ne dem US opeka to a o contact sedel on sabeka bi o ko social media o bo isfiko kasa ebeba isfiko ISHFIKO isfiko papa
ye the website no ever to screen so say na be easy am go for enter say the number no ever to ja say do na me kai o say ye car no
professional
ye car no the way you see camera car ni say do ya me sure no nya o kese odosron kwa wenya e dia ma nipa bia na me kai o say Wolf Gang e wo UK Wolf Gang e ncha o drop e Ghana mbe hu no live on Poleeno Multimedia YouTube channel ono so ye cars yen drive luxury cars you can say despite any bad year when you Ghana na
Kensi
phone
that's right
you can't omo drive cars ni bi wa
any obofo
a Wolf Gang
any other
Wolf Gang
you've gained
kwabna can come ade kana tunim say o a big man
nti yes me so nko fa bi ba be Quappiah
na ye chere mo